Friends, today we are going to make restaurant style potato and green peas curry. I'll post the ingredients in the description below. Please watch. Let's go ahead and start. Add some oil. Mustard seeds, methi, and some cumin seeds. Once this splatter, add the curry leaf. Now add your onions and green chilli. Add some salt so that the onion gets cooked fast. Add some turmeric. Add some ginger garlic paste and let it fry for 2 minutes. Now add coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala, and chili powder depending on your taste. Immediately add your tomato puree. We need to cook the tomato puree till you see oil oozing out from the puree. So we need to put it on a medium flame and close the lid and keep stirring in between till you see oil oozing out. That's when you know your tomato puree or masala is ready. Masala has been cooked for like 10 minutes now. Let's go and check if the oil oozes out. As you can see, the oil is oozing out. That's when the masala is ready. Now it's time to add our potatoes and peas. Give it a good mix. The potatoes and green peas are already boiled. They don't need much time to be cooked. Now that I did a good mix, add some water and mix it well and close the lid and cook it for like 5 minutes, and that's it. Your curry should be ready. Give it a good mix and check for salt right now and close the lid for 5 minutes and your curry should be ready. Alright, that's it. Our curry is ready. It's yummy, tasty, restaurant style. Garnish with cilantro. That's it, friends.